modern life, said that scientific approach makes an individual independent. He noted on various points against superstitious and blind beliefs of the people. He was speaking in the lecture series held in memory of late Balakrishna Prabhugaonkar.
Dr. Narendra Dabholkar in his lecture highlighted the use of scientific viewpoint in day-to-day life. He was speaking in the lecture series held in memory of late Balakrishna Prabhugaonkar.
प्रत्येक भारतीय नागरिकाचं हे घटनादत्त कर्तव्य आहे की त्यांनी सायंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट म्हणजे वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोन याचा विचार प्रसार आणि अंगीकार केला पाहिजे. आणि लक्षात घ्या, वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोन आणि चमत्कार याचं नातं प्रकाश आणि अंधाराचं असतं. या हॉलमध्ये प्रकाश आहे असं म्हटलं की या हॉलमध्ये अंधार नाही असं म्हणावं लागत नाही, आणि या हॉलमध्ये अंधार आहे असं म्हटलं की या हॉलमध्ये प्रकाश नाही असं म्हणावं लागत नाही.
Dabholkar said that scientific point of view makes one independent.
माझ्या जीवनात जे काही घडतं त्याच्यामध्ये नशीब नाही, त्याच्यामध्ये दैव नाही, त्याच्यामध्ये प्रार्थना नाही, त्याच्या मागे कारण आहे आणि ते माझ्या बुद्धीला समजू शकतं. हा कार्यकारण भाव म्हणजे वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोन ज्यावेळी माणसाला समजला त्यावेळी परतंत्र असलेला माणूस स्वतंत्र झाला.
Members of Hindu Jan Jagriti Samiti also created a scene at the function opposing thoughts of Dr. Dabholkar. Our reporter from Kankan, Prasad Pagi.
One of the lady farmers who participated in Marga municipality Gera was admitted in the Hospicio hospital on Monday. She was suffering from high blood pressure. It is suspected that she fell ill after she witnessed the protest at Marga municipality for almost 12 hours to save her field.
Dias from Madgaon is suffering from high blood pressure and has been admitted in Hospicio hospital. She had participated in the protest against the construction of government in their fields. Husband of Esperant Dias gave us more details.
सुनवारा राती मुझी बाल सारखी बोरी न जाऊन सारखी उपाशी असली नव्हती, सारखी येऊन जाऊन ते पाडापाड हॉस्पिटल घाले. ब्लड प्रेशर बी सारखं देवन सारखी मुझी बाल सारखी मरपाची असली. मागीर ताका आमी हॉस्पिटलाक घाले आणि आता या शेताक लागून मुझे बायलेन सारखे टेन्शन घेवन सारखी मुझी बाल सिरियस आसा.
Secretary of Naveli शेतकारांचो एकवट Claudius Dias urged government to save life and fields of Goans.
गोंयच्या शेतकाराचे जे शेतां व्हरूंक सोदतात आनी ते गोंयच्या शेतकाराक ते मारूंक सोदतात अशेंच. आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार जी शेतां आमी रोवन खाताले जायते गरीब लोक ते शेताचेरच उत्पन्न करून ते तांचे आख्खे वरस काडटाले आनी हे सगळी जॉयंट फॅमिली आसल्यो. ते शेतां रोवन आपले पोट भरताले, घोराबो चलयताले. हातूंत सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार गव्हर्मेंटान जायतो इंट्रस्ट घेवपाक जाय की तांचे गोंयकाराची जी शेतां आसात तांणी ती सांबाळची.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
After the break, watch the brand ambassadors of Dempo companies excelling in sports and more. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Dempo Group of Companies has praised its goodwill brand ambassadors Natasha Palya, Talasha Prabhu and Ivana Furtado for bringing glory to the state. Tennis player Natasha has recently won a doubles tournament in Syria, while ace swimmer Talasha excelled at the recent nationals in Jaipur. Chess prodigy Ivana Furtado under 11 nationals competition at Shimoga a few days back.
Natasha from Akshi partnered fellow Indian Garima Watwani to win the girls doubles title on a hard court at the 25th Damascus International Junior Tennis Tournament organized by the International Tennis Federation. The 15-year-old Natasha is now in Egypt to take part in the Smash International Junior Championship. Currently ranked in the region of 300, Natasha's target is to break into the top 100 by the end of the year so that she can take part in the Grand Slam events. Miramar-based Talasha was outstanding at the Junior Nationals recently in Rajasthan. She then headed to Singapore for the Asian Youth Games meet where she breached the 1-minute barrier, clocking 59.93 seconds in the 100-meter freestyle event. Talasha is only the second woman ever to breach the 1-minute barrier. The first was Shikha Tandon, who represented India at the Barcelona Olympics in 2004. The 16-year-old Talasha is now set to rub shoulders with the modern-day greats of the sport at the FINA World Championship in Rome, Italy. 10-year-old Ivana from Santines Panji was in great form at the 23rd National Under-11 Boys and Girls Chess Nationals in Karnataka recently. She won the event with 9.5 points out of a maximum of 12. Ivana, who has won world titles and many other events will represent India at the upcoming Asian and World Championship. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
In rainy season, people mainly opt in planting trees which requires more water. Hibiscus plant is one of the plants which require a huge amount of water. Have a close view on blooming of this flower as I take your leap. Keep watching Prudent Media.